and I feel scratchy right there. Fill it in. Just check it, the stone right there. My tinter brush. Can you close that one? Now I'm gonna give it a quick swipe, and then we are going to clear this one for 60 seconds. Great. Move on to the next nails. We're using chandelier and glow in the dark with the chrome flakes number 2. I'm checking all that like metal piece. If you feel scratchy, which is just gonna catch in a client's hair, make sure you feel them completely and cap them, so then that way your clients and you can feel really like sit back and ensure the crystal is not gonna stuck in their hair, or it's not gonna like get stuck so many times to the point it's gonna falling off. So this one does that to you. All right, and I'm gonna give you a quick swipe. If you don't have a lot of squeezing now and you don't see extra of precision glue, then this is step not necessary. But if you fill them in and you want them to look nice and like blending and flawless, you want to blend it a little bit. Here for 60 seconds for these nails. And I'm gonna see if I can do something on this one. What are you thinking is, can you find me the black colors or obsidians?
Crystal?
Yes, I think it's in one of my. I can put I'm feeling scratchy right here.
Okay.
I'm going to fill in with all of like between the edges of the charms right there. And the crystal edges. And with this one, actually you can absolutely like cap this one with the top coat, but do not cap it on the crystals, only on yours metal parts to just prevent from a tarnish. Cure this one for 60 seconds, but hold on, I think I might put some of, squeeze this one in. I might put some crystals on this one. This tiny little guys right there. Tiny little guy right there. That looks cute. Okay, so now we are going to cure this for 60 seconds. It's so bright on this one on Instagram. So the number 5 that we're using a chrome and flakes number 5 on the background, and then the teal metal frame, metallic frames. I love this centerpiece. It seems like I can't ever get enough of this. This is so easy to do with so many different crystal placements. You can do it by itself, or you can incorporate it with crystal placements. I mean crystals and beads and charms, anything. There's a lot of videos I did with this centerpiece, so I'm so obsessed with this. So next one, we are going to do precision glue on this one as well. I'm continue using with this precision glue because I feel scratchy right here. It stuck my needle right there. It feels so good when you like feel it, and then you squeeze just a little bit. So each time you're using, you're gonna squeeze just a little bit, and you see that? Just a little bit, go a long way, but you don't want to squeeze it and get it at first. You want to make sure you check it when wherever you need it, then you squeeze it in. You don't want to just squeeze it so much and it's gonna flood your crystals. So with this one, before I cure that, I am gonna top coat that frame as well. To prevent from tarnish, but it doesn't changing a look of it. Okay, cure this for 60 seconds, but do not put it on the crystal because you don't want to ruin whole entire sparkle and the shine of the crystals. So this one is one of my favorites. It looks, if you're doing this in a plain, like a black, a nude, pink, any solid colors, looks really stunning, just because this one is on the top of really dramatics, stunning chromes and glitter. But I'm using a silver bead to just keep it a little bit like separate. All right, so I am going to give it a quick swipe to blend all of the extra precision glue. All right, here for 60 seconds, everyone. Thank you so much, ladies. Dragons and wizards. Thank you so much, Foxy. I love that chandelier too. It's really cool. Okay, we have this cute 6 nails. We're planning to do 3 nails, but I have 6 nails prepared for all of you already. So I would like you to see all the final looks. Like, hold on, let me see if I get the good looks. I want you to have like all the look of this for like a comparisons of all different chrome and flakes. This is available for you to check them out, and a special 20% off for is 50,000 follower special sales right now going on. So just check, you can check them, find more information on our website glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. And if you have any questions, you can always email us at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. And yesterday we're talking about the price for every single nails and a different set on the set. So it's great information if you feel like it really cool and helpful. After you watch that live video last night is on our IGTV. The part, it was like tip and trick. So if you feel like you want to email us to get some preference form, we can also email it to you as well. We email some of you were asking yesterday, today already the team tried to get it out, so then you can able to get it preference for your salons.